Are you insane?
Grab the log.
You just threw it in there.
Jeff, we're falling away.
Fucking idiot. Oh, the anchor. I told you the anchor would work.
That's the anchor, Jeff.
Okay, we're not going anywhere.
Tie this to the log.
Yep. Holy shit, sir. It's hot as fuck. Hang on. Give me 1 second here. Whoa, sir. What are you doing? Whoa, the boat's hot as fuck. Hang on. I gotta get my gloves on. The boat is extremely warm.
Oh, shit,
You shouldn't have got black. I don't know how to tie this.
Just tie a couple knots. Like you fucking do.
Where is the trap, you
Tie
idiot?
knots. Don't worry, it's on the ground. Tie a knot. You're not even tying a knot.
Would you just hold the vessel properly?
I can't do nothing, Jeff.
What do you mean you can't do
You got
nothing?
everything to hold on to. Just make sure the trap's on the ground.
Where is the trap? That's what I'm saying.
Follow the rope. Just make sure you didn't pick it up off the ground. This is gonna be too fucking hot.
Yeah, we might have to head back.
That's good. It's good.
We'll cut it off if we have to.
No, don't.
Okay,
Okay.
I gotta pull anchor. Hang on.
Look at the trap. Is it on the ground? Looks like it's on the ground.
I hope so.
Pull the anchor.
Oh, my back.
It's 1 pound.
Anchor's up, sir. Oh, we got a big log. Wow. Oh.